What's up guys, I'm gonna teach you in today's tutorial how to send a voice message on Discord. So today's me- What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to send a voice message on Discord. So today's tutorial is really simple, but I want you to keep up to the end to not miss on anything. So, what you want to do is go to Google Chrome and then tap Vancord. You're gonna go to the link and then click on download Vancord. When it's done, you're gonna go ahead and launch it. To appear like this. You're gonna tap on install and then you get a photo like that. After that, you can go to your Discord and then go to your settings, and right there you see new settings called Vancord. Don't have them here because I'm on the website. From the app, you'll find them. So that you're gonna go to your Vancord settings and give access to your mic. And then you can go to any chat and click the plus sign and then record message, and that's it guys.